everyone, welcome to Faja Tips and Tricks. This one comes out to us from Rockstar Angie in Connecticut. Hi Angie.
What up?
This is a game changer. This is the invisible shaper that is worn over your faja. The purpose to doing this is it will completely conceal all the seams from your faja. So if you want those extreme curves, but you want to wear something tight, you don't want your faja to show the clasps that are on the front or the seams from the boning or up here, this will take care of that for you. So you wear it right over your faja. It's got a thong bottom, so you will not have panty lines. It will even help accentuate your booty too. So it's a win-win situation. So this one is a game changer. I highly recommend it. Thanks again, Angie. Really appreciate that one.
Yeah, it's amazing. You can also wear it with or without the faja and you still get the same results.
Yes.
So it's pretty good. I actually have a personal favorite trick that I used after I had my daughter. I was left with a lot of stretch marks and my mom told me to get me some coffee, and of course I'm Colombian, so coffee will be like a main ingredient. To get some coffee and olive oil, mix it together every day. When I took a shower, I would rub it against my skin and leave it on while I wash my hair, did other things, rinse it off, and my skin was so much hydrated, and it just felt like slowly it started transitioning to not being able to see those stretch marks, which, as a woman, a lot of our confidence and things like that kind of goes away after that. So that's the trick that I have today. So
yeah, I feel like it really reduces the redness too, and if you scrub it really hard, it will give you instant results, because what it does is it plumps up the skin and it'll instantly minimize the appearance of the stretch marks. So I highly recommend that one.
Yeah, you have a really good one today.
Yeah, the one of our favorite products, the reducing gel. This one actually comes out to me from my physical trainer, who is Cyber Body Shop, and he uses it in the dry sauna. So if you put this on your abdomen generously and sit in the dry sauna with it, it helps extract just that extra bit of water from your abs, really revealing your abs. This one's actually really good for fitness competitors as well, even on show day. If you want to get that little bit of excess water out of your abdomen, this is a really, really good tip to do that. So slather it on generously, go in the dry sauna, and watch those abs come out.
Yeah, the thing is addicting. Use it with everything. The actual trick that I have today is for everybody who usually just has one faja, and alternating between fajas and so on and keeping them clean is very important. What you actually want to do is get yourself some Febreze, and every night before you go to bed, spray your faja. It freshens it up and keeps it clean, so the next day you have a fresh faja to put on. And yeah, that's pretty much what I have.
Yeah, it helps kill the bacteria and just keeps it nice and fresh and smelling good.
All right, thanks for watching.